Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the remaining topics of this chapter. Which chapter we are seeing now? All around us in geography. Yes or no, children? Yes. So we are going to see the remaining part. Okay. Okay. First one glance we can go whatever we studied in the previous video. Okay. We saw about the environment. Yes. What is it? What is environment? The condition and surrounding under which we live and carry on our activities. That is we can say environment. Environment has both natural as well as human components. Yes. All the activity whatever is carrying, that is a environment. In that environment we saw physical environment and human environment and man-made environment. Yes, children? Yes or no? Yes. In that one, in the environment, we saw biotic and abiotic living things. And we learn about natural environment. In the natural environment, we have four spheres. Yes, what is that? Say, children, boys side, say fast. Four spheres I said. What is that? Boys, stand up. Stand and say good, good. Stand. Jeremiah, stand and say. Very good. Lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Okay, very good. Litho. Litho means what? Girls, you say? Litho? It refers to land, atmospheres. Very good. Refer to air. Atmosphere refers to air. Lithosphere, land. Yes, very good. Malkija say? Very good, very good. Hydro refers water. Bio refers life. Yes, very good. What is ecosystem? Boys, your side. Say. Very good. What he said? Ecosystem is defined as a coexistence of biotic and abiotic components in an area. Very good. Yes. What is man-made environment? In this society, one of the part man is doing, that is man-made environment. Yes. Okay. What is food chain? I said, yes. From the grass, for the grass getting energy from the sun, that grass is eaten by the deer. It is eaten by what? Lion or tiger. It is one of the simple food chain. Yes. Very good. Good, children. Okay. Now, we are going to see the human environment. Okay. Human environment. As mentioned earlier, environment consists of both natural and human factors. Environment na enna naturally irukum, human factors humanally kondu varapattadu appadina. The history of human evolutions shows early man was a hunter and gatherer. He completely dependent upon the nature. பழைய காலத்துல எப்படி இருந்தாங்களா? இயற்கை நம்பி தான் வாழ்ந்திருக்காங்க. Okay, they are dependent upon the nature. They don't have any food. Yes, artificial food is not there. Whatever getting in the forest, they will be eat. Yes, from the plants, they hunt the animals. Yes, all they are dependent upon the nature. Over the years, the man modified his environment to fulfill his needs. அவங்களுடைய தேவைகளை நிவர்த்தி பண்றதுக்கு என்ன செஞ்சாங்க? சுற்றுச்சூழலை தனக்கு சாதகமாக்கிக்கிட்டாங்க. எப்படி? The discovery of fire, they make the fire and they make the wheel. Yes, they invention the wheel. Why? To grow up the crops. Wheel, Persian wheel அப்படின்னு சொல்லி வச்சிருந்தாங்க. அப்படிதானமா? They used for recreations, means பாசானத்துக்கு என்ன செஞ்சாங்க? வீல் யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க. ஒரு இடத்துல இருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு they want to move to one place to another place, they are used wheel. Yes, for their modification, their environment, they are fulfilled his needs. And they have settled one life and they started the growing crops and group of family started living together. ஓ 2-3 குடும்பங்கள் சேர்ந்து வாழ ஆரம்பிச்சாங்க. This lead to development of communities and villages. இப்படிதான் நகரங்களும் நாகரிகங்களும் என்ன செஞ்சுச்சு? வந்துகிட்டே இருந்துச்சு. ஓகே, their communities. Okay, then agriculture, industrial revolutions, all is developed and the food and goods are very surplus. மிகையான பொருட்கள், மிகையான surplus means மிகுதியான. Okay, they are generated the foods and they exchange the goods from one place to another place. First they don't have any money. Yes, so they give one things to another country and they get the things from there. Okay, that is barter system we can say. Okay, so the man developed the society and he produced the laws and he established his economic. அவங்களோட பொருளாதாரங்கள், அவங்களோட சமுதாயங்கள், அவங்களுடைய எல்லாத்தையும் என்ன செஞ்சாங்களாம்? டெவலப் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சாங்க. So man is one of the part of his family. Man is a part of his family, community, state and nations. Every individual is a part of some community and religious group. Do you know the world today is called global village? The world we can say now global village because today world has been constructed into one unit by the electronic technology. இது எல்லாமே எலக்ட்ரானிக் தான். அப்படிதானம்மா? எதை பண்ணாலும் டெக்னாலஜி. எதுவுமே நம்ம கையால் செய்யணும். அடுப்பு பற்ற வைக்கல. இப்போ அப்படிதானம்மா? We are not cooking in the wood. Yes, now we have microwave, gas, we have for cooling, AC is there, fridge is there. Yes, all the things, it's coming from electronic technology. For example, by the internet, and we can, whatever we can search through the internet, world wide web, www. Yes, if you have any doubt, we can get from the internet. All the technology is improved now. Yes, the physical distance have been negligible and communication has become easier. மிந்தி என்ன செய்யணும்? லெட்டர் போடணும். If you want to give some information to your father, if you are staying in Tamil Nadu, your father is in foreign, what you will do first previous day, they will write the letter and they send through the postal. Yes, it will reach 10 days or 15 days. But now in the modern technology, we don't have like that. Within a second, we can see our father through the video call, through WhatsApp. Yes, we can give some information to others. So the technology world is very fast improved. Yes, today man is a part of techno world where we can communicate with anybody in any part of any world in any time. Yes, similarly technology advancement in transport help us to reach far off place in a few hours. First previous in the past period, if you go to one place to another place, we can go through the walking. Yes, next they developed wheel, they went in the chart. Yes, is there no Behar like that they went. Then previous road transport came. Yes, railway transport is came. Then now what? Air transport. Within a few seconds we can reach from Tamil Nadu to Bombay to other country within a few seconds or few hours. Yes, not a few seconds, few hours. So today man is not living in isolations. He's one of part of the global village. He also live in a computer environment. That's a virtual reality. Yes, with the computer we can express our feeling. Yes, now see, now we are also using that only. Yes, children, is there? No, you are not coming to the school, but the technology improved. Yes, you are studying in your house as a online classes. Yes, it is also we are living as a computer simulated environment. It's a virtual reality. Yes, நம்ம நேரடியா பார்த்து பேசுற மாதிரியே வந்துச்சு. Yes, it's a human environment interactions. Yes, life is there, life is there, society is there. All we are getting from one place. Yes or no? Yes. See, virtual reality is a computer simultaneous environment when a person can feel his presence in real. அப்படியே மேம் நடத்துகிற மாதிரியே உனக்கு ரியலாக தெரியுதா, ப்ரெசன்ஸாக இருக்கா, அதுதான் என்னது virtual place. Yes, try to find out more about virtual reality. Conduct a debate in the class on virtual part. Yes, that is a human. இது மனுஷனே உருவாக்குனது. இதுதான் human environment. மனுஷனே அவனை படிப்படியாக உயர்த்தி கொண்டு போகிறது என்னது சொல்கிறோம், human environment. See this picture also. Components of environment is there. Some here, road transport, buildings, all is there. Yes, this is human made. And family, for human, family is there. Yes, down you see. But natural also is there. That is air, water. Yes, land is there. These all things we can see components of environment. Components of environment. Now we are going to see the man's effect on the environment. See, man is an integral part of the environment. Man completely depend upon his environment. Yes, அவன் சுற்றுச்சூழலை பார்த்து தான் என்ன செய்யுது, அவனுடைய வாழ்க்கை டிபெண்டாக இருக்கு. அப்படிதானம்மா? The modern man has been able to change his environment for his need. Man has played a dual role of being a developer as well as a பொலைட்டர். அவனோட தேவைகள் நிவர்த்தி ஆக்குறதுக்கு என்ன செய்யறான், வண்டியில் போகிறான், ஓடுறான், அப்படித்தானே பாரு. See there, how is the environment is there? Full pollutions. Yes, that is full pollutions. It is infect the man. Is there no? Is there no, children? The unwanted harmful agents, it is caused to the man. It's a natural environment causes environment pollutions. For example, agriculture development introduced artificial chemicals to grow crops. சாதாரணமாக வந்து என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, ஆட்டுச்சாணி மாட்டுச்சாணியை போட்டாங்க, அப்படிதானம்மா ஒரு நெல் விளையிறதுக்கு. ஆனால் இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, எது விளையனான்னு என்ன போடுறோம் நம்ம, வாட் வி ஆர் டூயிங், வி ஆர் கிவிங் சம் ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் கெமிக்கல்ஸ், உரம், அது மருந்து, இது அதுன்னு சொல்லி என்ன செஞ்சுருந்தாங்க, அடித்து அதோடைய தன்மைகளை குறைச்சிருந்தோம், அப்படிதானே அது பொல்யூஷனை மாறிடுது, அப்படிதானமா. இட் டிஃபெக்ட்ஸ் அஸ். எஸ், இட்ஸ் லீட் எ ப்ராப்ளம் டு அஸ் அண்ட் இட் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் ஃபார் த லேண்ட் ஆல்சோ. லேண்ட் ஆல்சோ கெட்டிங் அஸ் எ pollutions. Yes, so land degradation is day by day, it is reduces the quality of the land. Yes, children, see, in the vehicle or industrial area have to lead increased carbon dioxide, the harmful gases is mixed into the air, is the atmosphere. Yes, this we can say global warming. What we can say, global warming. For example, average temperature of the earth is increased. So we are getting now what problem, health problems. Yes, all this are causing various health problem to peoples. Yes, yes, now see, all we are covering what, mask. Yes, is there no, why, that our air is polluted by the pollutions. Yes, vehicle pollutions, land pollutions, all is mixed in this atmosphere. So if you breathe, we can get some diseases, our health condition will be go down. So what now the doctors are saying, wear the mask. Yes. So if you wear the mask, we cannot get some unwanted pollution area. Yes. So be careful always. We want to keep our surrounding very good. Okay. Okay, children. Maybe I think you are understand. Is that no? Yes. Very good. Now take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note. Answer the following questions in detail. Discuss the importance of atmosphere for the earth. Right, the children? Very good. Previous classwork, did you finish? Okay, carry on. You leave 1 or 2 line and write this heading and write these questions and answers. Right, children. Write it neatly and write clearly also. Okay. Whatever you have study it on that date itself in this video. Whatever instruction are given, you have to follow it. Okay. Don't ever, never skip the video. Okay. You have to listen the video from beginning to last. It is very, very important. Okay, children. Okay, write it now. Write slowly, not slowly. Write neatly. Okay, very good. Now students, second questions. Explain the concept of food chain and food web. All organisms are interdependent on one another. The depends of an organism upon another and flow of energy from a plant to an animal. Yes, and from that animal to another animal is called food chain. Yes, I explained in the video. Yes, yes. The interlinked food chains are called, what we can say, children? Food web. Food web. Right, children? I give the time for you to writing. Write it neatly. Write it fast. Write fast. Write it fast. Now, third question. Why is hydrosphere important for mankind? Hydrosphere is one of the water. Yes. It consists river, lakes, ponds, well. Plants also need water to make food and grow. Man needs water to drink, cook, wash, etc. etc. Yes. If you go in the sea, there's seafood. Yes, source of seafood like fishes, shrimps, etc. The water flowing from evaporated areas has to generated electricity, also known as hydroelectricity. These all things we need hydrosphere. So hydrosphere is on in the earth. Yes. Now, fourth question. Discuss man's effect on the environment. Right, children? Man has had both positive and negative impact on our environment. Yes, we have positive also is there, negative also is there. Now, children, you take your book. All of you take your book, page number 121. Take fast. Everybody take. Take everybody. Book page number 121. Check the correct answer. Check the correct answer. First answer is C. First answer is C, biosphere, okay? Second answer is D, ozone. Third answer is A, biotic component. Put tick, okay? Fourth one, A. A. What is A? 70 to 75. Fifth is B. Global village. Global village. Now, give one word answer. First one, abiotic. That is on living components, yes? Second one, virtual reality. Virtual reality. Third one, ecosystem. Third one, ecosystem. Fourth one, hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity. Electricity. Fifth one, food webs. Fifth one is food webs. Write neatly in book, okay? Write neatly. I give the time for you. Now, all of you take your homework note. All of you take your homework note. Previous homework note, did you finish? Homework, did you finish? Did you submit? Okay, very good. Yes, yes. I'm correction also, yes? Okay, children? Now, in the homework note, you write the day and date. In the book 122, page number 122, give one word answer is there, yes? Yes. Only 5. Yes? That 5 you have to study and write one time. Study and write. Give one word answer one time only. Okay, I am not giving 2 or 3. So, you have to study. Okay, that day itself you have to study. Okay, children? Okay, children. See, whatever I am giving in video, that day itself you have to finish your classwork and homework and book work also. Okay, don't keep aside. It's a burden for you, yes? Don't carry along with the another day. That day itself you have to finish it. Okay? I hope my children are very, very good. Yes or no, children? You are very good. You are a diamond. Yes? Yeah. So you have to finish it. Okay, children? Okay, children? We will meet with next lesson in next video. Okay? Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you, children.